Kiki cake. I will have cake. Kiki o onegaishimasu. Aisu ice cream. I will have ice cream. Aisu o onegaishimasu. Kuhi coffee. Coffee please. Kuhi o kudasai. Okawari refill. Refill. Another one please. Okawari onegaishimasu. Daijobu okay. That is okay. Daijobu desu. Jubun enough. That is enough. Jubun desu. Kaikei bill. Check please. Okaikei onegaishimasu. Ikura how much? How much is it? Ikura desu ka? Genkin cash. I will pay in cash. Genkin de haraimasu. Kaado card. I will pay by card. Kaado de haraimasu. Reshito receipt. May I have the receipt? Reshito o kudasai. Takai expensive. It is expensive. Takai desu. Yasui cheap. It is cheap. Yasui desu. Hontu true. That is correct. Hontu desu. Mata again. I will come again. Mata kimasu. Tanoshi fun. It was a nice meal. Tanoshi kata desu. Shinsetsu kind. The staff is kind. Sutafu wa shinsetsu desu. Kirei clean. The restaurant is clean. Mise wa kirei desu. Shizuka quiet. It is quiet here. Koko wa Shizuka desu. Kondeiro crowded. It is crowded. Kondeimasu. Yoyaku reservation. I will make a reservation next time. Tsugi wa yoyaki shimasu. Ashita tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. Ashita kimasu. Q today. Thank you for today. Q wa arigatou gozaimasu. Ima now. I will pay now. Ima haraimasu. Ato de later. I will pay later. Ato de haraimasu. Hitsuyu necessary. I need a bag. Fukuro ga hitsuyu desu.